Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to create to-do list. First of all, we need to create basic HTML file and we need to create head, and it contains in its title my TODOs, and also we have created body and heading in it, and also we need to give input type and ID to our search text and the button ID in order to get the proper one, and also we need to give an input type to our text and ID to add TODO text and button ID also to add button, and we need to give an order list ID to our to-do list, and also we need to give script type and source. We should mention the source, and in this case it is the jQuery, and also we need to give to the source to our main JS file, and also in the head we give the link to our main CSS file, and in this file we give the background image and also the style of our HTML file. So what refers to the main JS, in this file we need to create function clear request, and first of all it contains the append button, which contains the function with data, and for each function TODO item, TODO list append li, and it could concatenates to the TODO item message and the button ID to TODO item ID, and also the next one is draw request function, and we need to use ajax function and its URL TODOS and type jet, and also the data type JSON. The next one is update TODO. Also we need to use ajax function and also give it the URL type, data type, and data, and also we need to mention that if we have an error, so something went wrong, it will print the error while creating. And also the next one is delete TODO, and it also contains the ajax function, and it contains the URL TODOS, and we should concatenate them to the items ID, and the type is delete. So if also here if we have an error, it will print error deleting the item. And the last one is add button. So we need to create an add TODO text, and we need to use ajax function, and it also contains its URL type, data type, and data. And if we have success, it should give an draw request. It need to back us the data or our HTML file, and if we have an error, it should print error creating TODO, so it shows that something went wrong. And the next one is search button, or we should use click and function, and also we here use ajax function, and we show that our URL is TODOS and type is get. Also we here use data type JSON, and here also if we have success, it will give back our data, our HTML file, and in other cases we will see the error. And the last one is to-do list click or delete function, and this is helps us to delete something from our to-do list. And the last one is our checkbox, and here we also must use ajax function and specify the URL, and it is todos concatenate to the todo item ID. And here we have the type of put and data type JSON. And here also, if we have success, we did something not wrong, it will bring us the data, and in other cases it will bring us the error. So the last one is draw request. So using this we will So the last one is server.js, and here we need to create the functions, and which contains in them HTTP server, fs, URL, and query string. First of all, it helps to the client to do the request and to receive the response. So here we have 5 main operations. The first one is creation, then deletion, updating, getting data, and searching across the data in order to get the list of data. And first of all, we need to give to our data ID, and first of all it is the random number, and then we need to give the message, and we need to give the status of completion. In this case it is Boolean operators. So then we need to create the function create server, which contains in it request and response. So if also it contains in it error and data if something went wrong, and we will see the number 404, it means that file not found. In other cases we will see the data or HTML file. So the first one is get. So we need to specify the request of URL and index of todos. Also it must return us the object message and parsed jQuery search text. So the next one is post. So here we need to specify the request URL and index of our todos, and if it is equals to 0 we will see the return of a response and JSON, stringified JSON object. And another one is put. Here using this we can put some data in our HTML file, and also here we need to specify that if we have an error we will see that something went wrong, and if the status code is equals to 200 it means that everything went right. And another method is delete. So using this button we can delete some data from our to-do list. And Also here we need to specify the status code of 200. It means that that everything went right, and the other case when the data can't be found, and we should specify the listing number. In this case it is 8018. So thank you for watching. That's all.